Breaking news coming in. India likely to approve Covishield vaccine today is what the sources have indicated. Subject expert committee is going to be taking a final call on Covishield vaccine in just about a bit shortly on its emergency use authorization. Milan is joining us live. Milan, on expected lines, UK approves this particular vaccine, and you had mentioned in no time India will approve it as well. And today is the final decision. What are you picking up from your sources? Is this gravitating towards a yes?
Well, it is most likely to be Covishield that's going to get the emergency use authorization today. Remember that the three candidates who had submitted their applications for the emergency use authorization in India were Pfizer India and Bharat Biotech, along with the Serum Institute of India. And now we know that Covishield, made by the Serum Institute and the Oxford AstraZeneca, with the Oxford AstraZeneca getting an approval in the UK already. Now all eyes on India, and this particular SEC panel meeting under the drug regulator of the country is going to most likely go for an approval for Covishield, but it's going to happen today. That's what our sources have indicated to us, because the Indian government doesn't want to waste any time now. They have already considered the data that was submitted by the Serum Institute of India the previous week, and the data has been looked into. There have not been adverse effects that have been related to the vaccine. It has proven efficacy and safety as well, and it's going to be very easy to store for this country. So certainly, if the vaccination drive is to begin in January, today is the day that we will be looking at an approval, and that will happen today itself. So good news just before the New Year steps in, Chetu.
And walk our viewers through the efficacy of this vaccine. Adar Poonawalla says 95% effective if given 3 months apart. So you take the first jab, you wait for about 3 months, then you take the second full dose, and that gives you a 95% efficacy to combat coronavirus.
Well, yes, Cheti, more than efficacy, we also have to look at the immunogenicity, which is, how much immunity will the vaccine encourage in the body, and how long will the immunity last. And that is, the crucial point of getting vaccinated against the COVID-19, because with the UK strain that we've been looking at has slight mutations, and everywhere in the world, the experts have said that the vaccines will not be affected with the mutation that has happened in the UK strain at this point, B117. So that is going to be an essential point for the Covishield vaccine as well, with the UK authorities approving it. And finally, the approvals are looking very likely in India today. It's going to be good news, because the Covishield vaccine has proven efficacy certainly, and has been found to be safe. With minor adverse events that have taken place. The major ones were unrelated to the vaccine. That is what an expert panel also found when it was investigated. So yes, everyone here looking forward to the Covishield vaccine getting an approval for emergency use authorization. Remember, this will be a temporary licensure, and the licensure for a long time will come forward later. But for now, it needs emergency use authorization to be given to the government, so that the vaccination process...
Absolutely. Milan breaking the story first on India Today. This is big news coming in at the moment on the vaccine front. Today, we will know whether the Oxford AstraZeneca one gets an approval in India or not.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.